Hey, what is up guys, C-Army here. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to connect to SOCOM Fireteam Bravo 1 and 2 online using the PPSSPP Infrastructure build for Android devices. So the first thing we're gonna do is open up a browser. I'm gonna use a Google Chrome browser right here. Then we're gonna type in the address bar static.socom.cc. So that's static.socom.cc. Go ahead and hit go or enter. Then you're going to see these 4 folders right here. We're going to click on the plugins folder so we can download the infrastructure plugin. So click on the plugins folder. Then you want to click on infra plugin 106.zip. This plugin is made by the developer Limblo, so we can connect to SOCOM Fireteam Bravo 1 and 2 online easily on Android devices. Then we're going to go back and you're going to click on the PPSSPP folder. Then you're going to click on Infra Android folder. Then we're going to click on PPSSPP 1.13.1 infrastructure build to connect online. So click on that. Then after it's done downloading, click open and install. After it's done installing, go ahead and open it up. And you're going to see all the files right here. After it's done, go ahead and exit. The next thing is go to the Play Store, Google Play Store. And you're going to have to search File Manager. Once you search that up, I'm going to be using Explore File Manager. The reason I'm going to be using this file manager is to edit the DNS to the updated one. So once we move the plugin to the plugins folder, we can edit the DNS to the updated one to connect online. So go ahead and install. Let it install. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the app. And then it's going to ask you to allow Explorer to access photos, media, and files on your device. Go ahead and click allow. Then you're going to make sure you're going to click on internal storage. Make sure that's selected. Once it's selected and done, go ahead and click on the blue right arrow right here. Then you're going to click on internal storage again. And then you're going to click on download folder. After that, we're going to see here the PPSSPP infra build, and we're going to see the infra plugin at 106.zip. First, we're going to click on the infra plugin.zip. Then you're going to hold the PSP folder, and you're going to click on the move tab right here. You're going to click on move. Then you're going to make sure that this is checked off. You're going to make sure that this is checked. Then once it's checked, you're going to click on OK. And click on OK. After that, go back to go click on the left arrow right here, the blue arrow. Then we're going to click on the PSP folder. Then we're going to click on plugins. We're going to click on infra. And we're going to click on infra.ini. So we can change to the new DNS to connect online. So here we are. We're going to click on this icon right here so we can edit it. And we're going to click on the first DNS. We're going to edit. And you're going to type this new DNS so we can connect online. 67.222.156.250. Next, we're going to type in the same DNS for FTP2. 67.222.156.250. And last one for FTP1, type in the same DNS. 67.222.156.250. This new server IP is made by OneUp and Kerberos so that we can connect online in the SOCOM Fireteam Bravo 1 and 2 game. After all that is done, go ahead and hit the back arrow right here, top left corner. Then make sure that you save the changes. So go ahead and click on yes. After all that, we're all done here. We're going to go to home and we're going to open the PPSSPP Infrastructure build. Then you're going to make sure that you go to settings. You're going to make sure that you have the networking WLAN turned on. I have mine on, so you're going to have to make sure that enable networking WLAN beta it's on. So again, it's settings, then networking, and make sure that's enabled. After that, go ahead and click on the game. So once in your menu, you're gonna type in your name and create your profile. Hit enter. Once it's all done, then we're gonna head down to infrastructure and click X. Then you're gonna wait until it connects. After that, you're gonna see what it says SOCOM Fireteam Bravo 2 online. Then you're gonna click on that. Then here you're gonna type in your new name and your new password. So I'm gonna type in my password right here. After that, click accept. And click on either west, east, or east sales, and then you can connect to the SOCOM Fireteam Bravo 2 lobby. This is the same thing for Fireteam Bravo 1. And so this is how you connect to SOCOM Fireteam Bravo 1 and 2 online. All right, we'll see you next time, guys.